In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson EcoTank ET-3750 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search your Epson EcoTank and then ET-3750 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an Epson domain that says Epson ET-3750 support. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to go scroll down a little bit underneath operating system and click the drop down. Select your appropriate version of Windows or Mac or Linux device, and then you'll want to select Go. And then there should be an operating system drop down. Select that and then select the correct version of the operating system. And the driver utility combo package installer is what you want to download. Select that. And once it's downloaded to your system, open up that file. It should be a verified publisher. Select yes, and you can minimize or close out of the browser. And then just follow through with the on-screen prompts of installing and setting up your printer for your configuration, however you want it, whether it be a wired or wireless connection. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.